Hello everyone, it's Jules with DIY with Jules, and welcome back to my channel. I have just finished all of my Christmas decor, and I wanted to give you a peek at everything that I've done. We moved into our new home, so our front yard is not as big as it used to be, so I only put a couple of things out here. I have some of my reindeer and my sleigh, excuse me, and some of my Christmas balls that I got from Sam's. And as we walk in, I still have the black and white check, and you come into my front porch, into my front foyer, and you get greeted by this gorgeous tree. And the table that I DIY'd in one of my other videos, I'm going to leave the link down below. The first thing you see is this beautiful wreath that I decorated with this crazy bow. I just took a bunch of pieces of ribbon and I tied it together to make one of those crazy bows. And I have my check Santa and my red plaid Santa that I bought from, I believe it was Walmart. And of course, my black and white check. The truck was for my Thanksgiving decorations, but it's so cute, I didn't want to take it out. This year I decided to go with red and white, but because my entry has black in all of the furniture, I decided to add a little bit of black to the entry tree. It is so beautiful. I added all of these decorations that came from either Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Walmart, or even Home Goods. I have a few things that I bought from there, but they're absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so excited about my decor this year. As you walk into the foyer, you encounter these big candy cans and canes in silver and white. You have my standing Santa and my little caroler that has my welcome sign on it. And welcome all to my home. This is the first time that you guys get to see my new house. I have my poinsettias, and I also have a random amount of Santas. My husband loves Santas. You guys know that he collects them. And so we have all different types of Santas all over the house. But this video is only going to be focusing on my entry and my living and dining area. We have these beautiful nutcrackers that I purchased a few years ago from Sam's. And I figured they would look really beautiful greeting everybody coming in. My second table in my long hallway. By the way, guys, I decided to paint both of the tabletops in black, but later on I'm going to go on and paint them silver. My decorations are all red, candy cane like, candy cane like, and is silver and white, and I just threw in a few black pieces here and there. My dining room is my favorite of all my decorations so far. It is full of bling and shiny shimmer. This garland was purchased in, if I'm not mistaken, in Hobby Lobby last year. I never got to use it. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It had the red balls already in it. I completely forgot that I even had it. And I also have the matching tree, and that I will show in a few minutes. This is my glass entry table I used to have in my other house. I'll leave the link to that down below also. And I put all of my silver and glimmer decorations in my dining room. Isn't that beautiful? These two table servers, the little serving that I have my candle holders on, those are little serving dishes that my sister gifted to me this year. I want to say thank you to her. And I put a lot of my decorations out, but not everything that I wanted. My house this year is more open, and I don't have that many spots that I can put some of my decorations in. So this is the tinsel tree that I was talking about. It is absolutely gorgeous and it shines. The camera doesn't do too much justice, but it absolutely glimmers and shines. It has lots of glitter on it. And I decided to put my two Glimmer Glam Santa Clauses next to it. Look at the bling on this. Isn't that gorgeous? I also have something new that I added to the table, which are these Nutcracker crystals candle holders, and they're beautiful. I found those at a secondhand store. And then you go into the living room and you encounter my candy canes. I have these candy cane trees that I purchased in Hobby Lobby, and have two pencil trees that I decided to purchase this year and put them by my fireplace. They are so beautiful. I so love the way my living room came out. Isn't that beautiful? I have those two reindeer that I purchased from Big Lots a couple of years ago, and I added them to the top of my fireplace along with some of the nutcrackers. And I purchased a candy cane garland from the Hobby Lobby this year and decided to put it together with a large garland that I had. These are absolutely beautiful. They're the two metal snow reindeer that I bought a few years ago, and some of my husband's Santa Clauses that I've been spreading around the room. On this side, I have my two little helpers. These are my elves that I love to put up when I'm greeting my guests. And in my kitchen and eating area, I decided to do gingerbread. And here is my sleeping Santa, what I call him. He has his pajamas and his little chocolate cup. And this is my coffee station. I decided to do fake bakes and put them on top of the coffee station. I did it in all red, white, and green. And up on the top where I have had my coffee decor, I decided to take the coffee decor out and added my gingerbread people. I also added some of these Dollar Tree nutcrackers and that beautiful joy sign that's also made of gingerbread. I put my Noel sign, and also on top of my counters, I decided to do my nutcrackers and my beautiful Santas. Of course, you can guess that my decor is gingerbread and candy cane. This is absolutely beautiful. And over on the counter, I decided to put my apothecary jars with candy, and I did my two-tier tray with these beautiful decors. They're absolutely gorgeous. I am so happy, guys, with my decor. Then off to the restroom because, of course, I have to do my whole house, and decided to continue with the check decor inside the bathrooms. I put this beautiful flower vase together. These Merry snowflake signs, I got them at Dollar Tree. And I added a little glam reindeer and my beautiful glam towels. Well, guys, as for this Christmas, this is all for now. I'm so happy that you guys came to see what my decor was. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a message down below. Please like and share my video. And I hope that everyone has a beautiful and blessed Christmas this year. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy holidays. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your family and friends. Bye.